Emagoro benki ya mwanchi umuligererio Ndizi TV na bwo bwansubo mu gusingwe gena litkoria ondigenderete ko bari toire kigima na nene no genderete kwegokia aso kubwatie miroberio ya Ndizi TV na bwo obwansubo mu Gusii ekerorire litkoria ijuma tariki 5 cy'omutienyo gatano omwaka no wechi 2023 ne kinga kingia ekero cyaragire Chinsa Ikomi cyabona mugoroba ekerongo kwarigania SMS Amayia eri onkumanyuna nara ya na kwariganire asenchera ere yobwenge nyora muna sensemeri ya Facebook nigora gendere gotonyora wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asense moya YouTube Ndizi TV News aso mutandao Twitter na bogo twitwetera @Ndizi TV News boigo na bogo sange kerengerero kya wetera se namba era se screen ento gendere gosanga na boigo kwemanyia amankere terane Everlyne Osero ngo kwariganya be kugusanga na nche go Ikomi. Mwanchi umuligererio ngo kwariga ntoya chaka senchera yobwenge korwase county ya Kisii awase kigambiro ya Kisii emambe rero kiaba ayibagaba kagero batato kwegerera abo bwatrinire na momocho yo kumurusia maiso mwana we myaka 3 junior sagini agati tariki 13 cy'omutienyi gose cy'omutienyi 12 omwaka we 2022 asensemo ya Ikruma imeye sub county ya Marani county ya Kisii batatabo asamareta Alex Ochogo Pacifica Nyakerario nabo igora ili Nyakerario nigo bayigwari bagario kwegerera asinonya nabo barokana gokana kubwataraniwa ase amamochayo nigo bono barachie gosebosyo bumunachie bina Christine na Oweno nigo batatabwo barachie ko ikiwana nibo spikambero ase kinekyo kerachie gotegererwa chitarike 25 nemo cy'umutienyo
So long as she was there on that day.
No, I didn't. Yeah, she's a matano to look at me. I didn't know. Huh? That is your word. When I'm going to Mania, and yeah, she didn't start going on. Pacifica, not certain now. Pacifica just passed outside the house.
So at what time was that?
She said in the chariot. Yeah, in the Saturday. That was 1 p.m. Saturday. Yes, sorry, that was 9 a.m.
Not 1 p.m. again?
She said it was a plan to like 9.
Submissions. Upon service, the prosecution and the victim shall have 14 days to file and serve their submissions in response. The Counter Convention on the 26th of May this year to confirm filing of submissions and for highlighting of submissions by parties. Much obliged.
Litkoria rero nigo ryale litko ryogochengera abantu bonse bari bagokonya abasubati koibora gose World Midwives Day awase aba iryo gochengerwa kera chitariki 5 cy'omutienyo gatano kera omwaka ase Dr. Julie Nyanchama uyore oyomo bwabali bagokonya abasubati koibora abeirega kubaganiria bonse amaya na nene kuboria kwene kiabuna nkuba inyorere chinga kiba kuremereme yemekongu na indemi ya yogokonya abasubati asateru nambe bwenate ko inyora nonye ase okonyora maigerio egatie miroberi ndemenge yora bakonye aso gwikirania obokoreri burobya
Erietaria Nenjuli Nyanchama Nyamao oyobodi kerokyo bo women rep wa Kisii County nando yoro munyagitari wabangina n'abana bake igontete kwirari bageri ganeria abanyagitari baito abateresa abo bakoro kwa abanyagitari bari bagokonya bangina tinga kitiri bakonkia abana baganeri tukurigia dia International Midwives Day rero neri tukotogochengera egasingia abanyagitari ababere bagokora eso gokonya bangina baito tinga kitiri bakonkia abana nando kurigerira n'abangina baito tibabasa gusiria magimabo tinga kitiri bakonki n'abana babasa gusira tinga kitiri bakonkiwa komenta nayo abanyagitari aba babere bakorigereri na abana baito nonye bakoiboru tibache batware oborema buri bogocha gwetera enchireriyo kubina chingaki chintambe egere wareta oborema muroboto korokana cerebral palsy oborema buri okonyorana abana tibai konyara gukwana bwangu tibai konyara gutara bwangu tibai konyara kuba muna abana bande okoba yo gutanyora oxygen chingaki chiri bakoiboru igontete gusaba serikali yetu ye county erigererina yarikira abanyagitari abanga bateresa nande gwetania abu erigererina yabairege korigeringa ka abanyagitari abo bakonyora chisemi in service training egere bagende gokorega singia bego konya bangina baito na bakonyegesa kugitu kyo Gusii okoba igasiria bangina ba Gusii abanyagitari abo bateresa bagokora kotemere korigereri ngaki a generation yegesaku ekoba
Umusangirekano bwokorwa amaigerio igoro y'oburayi asabali babere bakokonyeka korwa se ekyombe kya Wings to Fly nigo okorekana ase gosogendrete ase skuru y'abamura ya Kisii oyo oba oraire amatuka atatu korubono nigaba bwatani wetanie mieyemo gose elbweyemo nechminye abagendrete konyora amaigerio ayo anene korwa sensemo ya South Nyanza ase bagendrete kwegeriwa igoro y'oburayi obya nonya nabo nigo abanka babere bagokonyeka kubwatkana nekyo gosekorwa se kyombekyo nabarokwa ase class ya form 3 nabo igo form 4.
We're on the second day of the mentorship program, which is focusing on the power of purpose, aligning value and leadership. Through our Equity Group Foundation and our partners, we do arrange these conferences every year for Form 3s and 4s. In this part of the country, which is the South Nyanza region, starting from Kisii all the way to Homa Bay, Mbita to Isebania. We have about 1,238 students here in this conference. These students enjoy our scholarships through the Equity Wings to Fly and the Elimu program, which is in partnership with the government of Kenya. We have seen great success with over 82% transition from high school to university. And this keeps driving us to do more and more for the poor and needy children in our societies. Most of these children need constant and regular mentoring to keep them focused and to keep them in shape, because
Mwancho murgereria kyombekyo kya Wings to Fly ne kyombekere inse bengi ya Equity asege kurobo konyi gusogusira asensemo yetsemi noroboti rumuri kyo itona gendrete gotobwatira senchira ere yobwekiranu ururachi konyora asobwekiranu gekoragensemo nabo igo Chinsa isato kya mogoroba togotigana nayo nigo omo MCB wodi yari go Maime County ya Nyamira Nyambega gisesa aganirie abamenyi be county ya Kisii na monabarai usika chimbebe ayaniga yakwana asensemo ya Nyaga Chaibunge ya kitutu masaba county ya Nyamira asomoyega bwa matanga yoko mweni ngina omo women rep ya county ya Nyamira Jerusha Mumanyi numurobere bo igogo somoyega bo wikiranwa nabarai au gati yabo omo bunko mochore kurase kyama kya Jubilee Sabina Chege omo bunke ya Sirisi ya John Waluke omo konyi bo mugavana se county ya Nyamira James Gesami omo bungo North Mogrango Joash Nyamoko omo bunke o South Mogrango Silvana Osero omo bunke ya kitutu chache South Andon Kibagendi egati abaraibande abwekirana eriokorwa engora yabo
Osero oyore senior most ase ababunge baito bagusi tete ngotumenege nteke magyoka wendo tebyo mugavana Simbarati atige gototomera sungusungu keroka gusabo bore muboitombe betawa karagaki teribuya umwambie tunataka amani kwa mji wa Keroka. Tumeenda kotini ili koti ije decide mahali boundary iko. Na ana kingo sa almost kema nduku nonare gabu kakitokane lyo mugavana oli atoire ngora tupendi vita. Asanti na Mungu awabariki.
Omurai wense Dr. William Samoei Ruto niga mwarigania mu Chancellor wense ya Germany me ya Kenya Olaf Scholz asenyoma y'oburai ya State House irigo kwanira amangana au ayo arengete okobwatirana egatie Chinsa chikoreta amagendero na ne kobwatirana erio koenekia buna nkurwanya barise yekigenderete koenekiwa asense ya Sudan okwana chingakie cyo Ruto niga gokerege mukirense ya Germany abirege waka anene aso wanchira aba Kenya kogenda gokora emirimo ase ense yo natabuna yene chekoreta amagendro egatie Chinsa chibere nigo boigo abakagoteba bunanere buya ekero Chinsa chionsi chikobwatirana anena samangana yemirimo nigateba boigo bunanigo abakenya bali barasense ya German kurende batari goikirania obokoreri bwabo buna ebwenerete barachikoiraniwa imense ya Kenya.
As a country, we believe in the rule of law, and whatever Germany is doing to put together a legal regime that allows legal immigrants, people of good standing, to access opportunities for employment in Germany is a very welcome development for us in Kenya. We do not find that there is a contradiction at all in demanding that those who are illegal, those who are not good, should be repatriated to wherever they came from. And therefore, our position, and we have discussed this with the Chancellor, is that while you open opportunities for Kenyans to work in Germany, and Chancellor was gracious enough to tell me that there is an opportunity for close to 250,000 people to work in Germany from different countries. We would value that opening, but we would also undertake that any persons from Kenya who do not measure up to good standing and are against the law in Germany, they would be returned back to Kenya.
Omotenerio monene wege kosi ya Jesh General Francis Ogola nigo ariganiwe bene gochaka obokoreri bwaye magega yoko chorwa kwira libagari yaye General Robert Kiboshi oyo okinetiwe ekerogo Ogola nigo akabeiro mokonyi bomuteneneri wege kosi ekikyabana jeshi ase omuteneneri gosomuroberi oboko mwarigania oba okorekana ase egeti kya Ulinzi Sports Complex imeyo mucho Nairobi. Omurikyo monena sekiombe kyabakori emirimo kotu Francis Atoli nigabeirega kwokoboko eserekari anene no muroberi bokugania buna kero mokori emirimo abega wakana chibesa chekerengo ya isato igoro Ikomi ase obogachi bwechinyomba ase rigorire inse nigateba buna chibesa ekyo nigo chitache gokonya asobwagachi bwoka akorinde gokonya abakori emirimo ase okogache nibo eyora bakonye asa matkari busyo.
One of the things he said, 3% is just like saving. Your employer will also put on 3%.
That is true.
It will attract government's interest.
Yes.
The government has put in more than 5 billion to supplement on that 3%. It will assist in development of housing. And eventually, if you want your money, you will get it with interest. Together with what your employer would have added on that money. So in total, it will be 6% plus interest with maximum of 2,500. So for us who are unionized, that is not a big deal. Because so with us, we have money. We are increasing our members' money. If you are from a trade union, if you are not from a trade union, shauri yako. Because they are the people who pay for this electricity, people who pay for everything here. So when you say 3%, when the salaries have not been increased, to who?
Omurandia Paul Mackenzie amono murugioye Roda mumbua wa weu amona abande nigo baikiwe bosio bwekambero asama mochoyo goteba guserema gima Kenya anene asokubairira barabugusiria magima na kubatindeka aseri nanilia Shakahola sensemo ya Malindi imeye county ya Kilifi nigachire litwerimo magega iyo murandia Ezekiel Odero nereko bwato kwa bori tkureigoronde kigambero gia Shanzu ase cashbail shilingi milioni yemo nukta isano. Omuraibe kiama kia ODM Raila Amolo Odinga amona baraibande nigo batangwa sogosoa asilinaniria Shakahola chinga kibaikirana erio korora ase gotebekana buna abantu nigo babiri bagotinde kwa ase ensemeyo negetambukiro abaraya batago kerana gokegikire mono asanene bamochia aba obisabo borendi anene osoko mutanga omurayo ibe kiama kia ODM Raila Amolo Odinga na otana ino murayo monene bwa serikali na igo nabwenete kwe waribaga riogosoa andonsi.
Imenifadhaisha sana komanda wa hichi kituo anasema hatutaingia. Ni kiongozi wa kimataifa, kiongozi wa Kenya anakatazwa na yeye anasema hataingia. Waandishi wa habari wengine mlikuwa hapa. Mwambie atupe, ni nani mwingine anaweza kutupa ruhusa? Baba ameshinda pale. Masaa mawili anapigia waziri wa security, Mheshimiwa Kindiki. Ngoja na consult. Paka saa hizi Kindiki hashiki simu ya baba. Ni nini mnaficha? Serikali ni nini inafichwa hapa ndani ya Shakahola? Nilizungumza kule bunge. Mlijua. Watu wakastavishwa hapa, wakakosa chakula, wakafa wakazikwa, hamukusema. Leo viongozi tumekuja mnatukataza kuona yale makaburi yalifukuli.
Egati abarai kurwase o muchio Nairobi nigo bamochiye serikali anene ase amangana yechsemi bakorawa n'umubunge w'Embakasi Stibabu Wino nigo bamochiye serikali asogota buna university che serikali cyokani na cyo kirachikonyora obokonyi bwechibesa asikere batere na abarokiwa bonsi nigo babwate okuganyo konene nigo chibesa nchwenta kubwato kwa ase chi university chonsi chibe che serikali gose chitari che serikali nabano nigo batebire buna onyomurobero turigo chigoikiraniwa nigo barachikokora okorobekana ogotindi bagochakira Chinsemo chia Rift Valley.
The government must pay adequate capitation to all our students and stop hiding in high debt owed by our universities. That is due to corruption, to deny deserving Kenyans a chance to good quality higher education. All parents, students and Kenyans of goodwill must resist this attempt that is going to fail, like the infamous laptop project for all primary learners, for all primary school learners. The new higher education financing policy is a money laundering scheme and will go in history as the longest con, longer than the long con. In conclusion, should the government refuse to finance all students, and this at 100%, we are going to give directions on nationwide demonstrations soon. These demos will include all Kenyans, because in Kenya, you are either a student.
Omugavana we county ya Kirinyaga Anne Waiguru nigaenekia ogochakiwa kwa murobero bubagachi wechinyomba aserigorirense asensemo ya Kerugoya imeye county yo ya Kirinyaga okwana chinga kiechioke Anne Waiguru nigateba buna iyo negatia magendro adia abekirensemo na serikali ya Kenya kwanza asateba buno muraibense Dr. William Samuel Ruto nigo arachikutarira chinsemecho erekoenekia buna emirobero au ya magendro yabeire kego chakiwa nabono nigaru kuboria gochasaba menyi be kaunti ya Kirinyaga kobe kiorokererie kia kyo gosegeta amagendero asensemeyo.
We expect His Excellency the President will be coming soon to do the groundbreaking, and we hope by that time we'll have seen more progress than what is there right now. Kirinyaga County has given land for this project, and I must thank the County Assembly because they have approved low-cost housing to be done in Kirugoya, to be done in Moya, and to be done in Sagana as a beginning. As you have heard, this will be 200 units for phase 1. We expect phase 2 as well and phase 3, and we are lobbying for the same. So I want to urge the National Housing Corporation to do a good job and urge the president of Kirugoya that this is a PPP. It is not money that is given by the national government.
Mwenchi umugeri bono ayo negatiari na kwariganirete aseme asema ya Chinsa Ikomi asenchera ere yo wenge korenda yo munenda mangege kuragense mono boigo Chinsa isato chamugoroba nochiko yanyora asenchera ere yo wikiranu nere Vincent Onyancha asiboigora achikumira na nere ndemo Stephen asensemerie chigosori eri atumanye bunana yaya agendrete gokoreka nambia muna sogo chora kobanenche nambia muna sogo chora kubwati miroberi yonsi ya Ndizi TV na bwo obwansu bwo musi Nyorobuna sensemeri ya Facebook ni wara tunyorwetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News asumutandao Twitter na bogoti twetera @Ndizi TV News boigo ase ekerengerero kiao na bogo sanga ni twetera se namba ira se screen iri togendere gusanga na boigo kwemanya amangere terane Everlyne Osero twetera na nere Abigail Nyanchamo yone kemuna chipicha neri ogichi awekeire asenchira yabene twaro buligere borobya na boigo emagorobere ntoireru